Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about attention and meditation. So, if we think, what is attention? The brain, people is saying that brain work at just 10% of its capacity, which is not a true statement. But actually, the brain work at its 100% of its capacity. And because there are so much of information coming inside the brain, so to control this brain overloaded information, brain developed a system called attention to allow in our brain only limited information to process. It's also a saying that in this universe the center is everywhere and the periphery is nowhere, because everywhere you put your mind is the center, right? So the attention is important or a leader for our brain, but the question is whether the attention is good leader or bad leader. Why the human mind is so distracted thinking and scattered thinking of everything, the information going in our mind is not processed. Why it is so? Why always we go into the down slope of the attention to not to let our mind not engage in focus or a goal related focus attention. Our mind always go into relax and to let the mind wander, mind go into the wandering state. So to discuss this, just a small practice how attention work. Let's keep our mind of our attention to everything around you, what you can see. Keep your mind just, if you are sitting in a room, just move your mind from left, or your eyes left to right, and observe every object. You can also observe the shape, size, color, and location of the object. And may you close your eyes and see if you can remember any of those objects in the sequence, location, position, size, and shape, color in right. So this is the one challenge for the tension. The next challenge for the tension. Now look everything around in the house, but at the same time put your attention also to the sound coming from outside or from the room, or if you are sitting in front of computer, coming from the computer, the sound. Look everything again with the sound also. You will notice that your attention is getting limited. You have to put your attention harder and longer to perceive the information. The stimulus are getting more. Now the third, once again do the same. Now also feel the sensation of your body or your skin. Feel the sensation of your body. Feel the sound coming to your ears, and also see the objects which you have seen before. Now you will observe that is even tougher to realize and to focus on the objects front. So it say the more information enter in our brain, the processing it gets slower. So our attention need to be pinpointed to be focused. No. And how meditation work to make our mind one pointed focus. So when we sit into meditation, what we do, we narrow our attention toward the chosen object to focus. Suppose you choose a breath to focus. So you make your attention on the breath, and all other stimulus coming from your ears, eyes, your eye may close, and the body sensation, you'll keep them in the background and make the center your breath. And this is how you practice your attention to go focused in the pinpointedness. This is how our brain works. There is also two type of attention. One is called bottom bottom up attention, another is called top to down attention. Sometimes when you close your eyes or even open your eyes, the thoughts come from inside. There are many stimulus coming. You are looking around in the environment, that's in all the stimulus coming and changing your processing in your brain. That is called bottom up attention. The top down attention, when you keep your attention at one your chosen object to reach to the goal, and then the division come because of the stimulus coming from out, and you make them to the periphery. In this attention, you need to put your effort to put your attention on the chosen object. So that is the two type of. There is also two type of meditation which make the meditation to the mind, to the focus attention meditation, and open monitoring meditation. So when you do focus attention meditation, you try to maintain your attention at the chosen object, and in open monitoring meditation, you let your mind wander. And in this, again, two brain systems activate. When you do open monitoring meditation, the default mode network of the brain activated, where when your creativity and your basic mental state increase. And in the focus attention meditation, the prefrontal cortex and the decision making and working memory, this kind of, and working memory, decision making, information processing, these systems of the brain get activated. So the attention is two-way. One which come from bottom up, which come spontaneously, and the other meditation is focus attention meditation, where you try to attain your attention on the chosen object. So this is how they increase your attention in meditation. That's all. Namaste. Thank you very much.